That's a lot of birds, huh?
Yeah, can we go catch them?
No, they wouldn't let you. Watch when Mommy opens the door.
Whoa.
Oh, whoop, there they go.
They fly away now.
Ooh. They're all up in Matt's tree. Holy crap, the whole tree is like filled with it. Watch out,
That was sweet. That was a...
Oh no, they're gonna come in the house. Ah! Oh my gosh.
What if...
There's so many of them. I seen them this morning when I woke up going past the window.
Okay, what if they all went in our house and I tried to catch them?
Oh, it's so bright out here, I can't see. Attack of the birds! Alright, let Mommy in, it's cold.
Poop down there.
A bird?